Hi Chelsea, I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm just taking a look at your elements assignment. Um, it's a bit brief generally, is what I have to say. You've chosen hydrogen, oxygen, and copper, two gases and a metal, so that's good. You've got some background information for each of your elements, but it's just a little bit too brief. I would have liked to have seen more information for each of those. You have the um, atomic information on this slide, so that's good. And you've got a Bohr diagram for oxygen and hydrogen, but you don't have one for copper. So it would have been good if you could have a Bohr diagram for copper. Chemical equations, you've got one chemical equation for each of your elements, which is really good to see, but it would have been good if you included a few more. And again, with interesting facts, you just got one sentence for each, so it's just too brief. You've got all the information you're supposed to have there. There's just not enough of it though. So I'm going to give you a high. So well done, congratulations, and enjoy the rest of your holidays.